Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Adiatu here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video I'm planning for the week beginning April 26th to the 2nd of May using this Just Peachy kit from PaperChicPlans. I'm pairing this kit with some sparkly pink hollow foil from SBC and some rose gold sparkle foil accents from PlanWithAds. I'm also bringing in some vinyl headers from the Grumpy Tortoise and some other glitter headers since I did not purchase the glitter headers with this kit. This kit is in a premium matte. As usual, I'm going to let you guys watch me lay down the base and I'll be back for the day by day. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. So enjoy. Okay, so now for the day by day. On the sidebar, I put these prayer hands to note what I was praying for that week. Since it was Ramadan still. Moving on to Monday, I used a also paper girl to note having a sleeping or being sleepy. I had work, and I then used a oh my goodness, sorry, I just remembered what week this was, which wasn't a really easy week for me, so bear with me. I then used this Simply a Mess birthday girl to note it was my cousin's birthday. Then use a Mixie Cat stuff teacher sticker and a work script from GP Studio. Then I used a Mixie Cat stuff petrol sticker to note game petrol. I then used this box from the House of Stickers UK and a YouTube play button from the Wiggle to note a Plan With Me binge. Yeah, but I didn't have the scripts at the time. I then used a TV icon to note binge watching Castle. I then used a lesson plan sticker from Fox and Pip to note lesson planning. I then used a couple sticker from Whimsical Cat Studio and a cuddle script from Naturallyads to note cuddles, because I had a hard week, but I didn't mention it in this planner. But yeah, so I'm going to be in my feelings a lot. On Tuesday, I used a stayed at home sticker from Fox and Cactus to note that I had a day off because of what happened on Monday. I then used another birthday sticker to note it was Sierra Leone's 60th Independence Day. I then used a crying in bed sticker from Fox and Cactus to note being in my feelings. I then used a laying in bed sticker from Coffee Monsters Co. to know I was starting to feel really ill as well from all the sadness. I then used a JD and Brooklyn maintenance girl to note that I had issues with my car, which was even worse, to make my day better. Then I used this couple movie sticker from Glam Hannah to note that we watched Judas and the Messiah. On to Wednesday, I used the same stickers to mark work as Monday. Then used a car sticker from Paperchy to note get my car back. I then used a Kiss My sticker and in my feelings script from the Sugary Girl shop to note be in my feelings. I then used a Paperchy Nana and a Happy Meal script from Randy.plans to note Happy Meal. I then used this popcorn sticker from, I think it was from PaperChicPlans. No, I don't remember actually. To note, what day was this? Wednesday. To note, watching something. Watching Castle, I guess. And then used a Valiant Thomas sticker and a Sleep Early script from Randy.plans to note going to bed early. Moving on to Thursday. The first thing I marked on Thursday using this also paper girl was that I was sleepy again. I keep saying worked mark. I marked work the same way. I then used this Quran sticker to note that what did I use it to mark? Oh, I started fasting again. I hadn't been fasting the other days because it was my time of the month. I then used a pizza icon from the Wiggle to note we had pizza to break our fast that day. I then used a car sticker and traffic sticker to note there was traffic. I used a YouTube play button sticker to note Plan With Me binge, and then I used a pillow sticker from the Honeybee shop to note going to bed. No, well, having a nap. And then I woke up and then I ate and then I had a nap again. But yeah. On to Friday. I'm ahead of myself too much. Friday, I used an alarm clock to note that I woke up late and then marked work in the same way. I then used this car from the Honeybee shop and a traffic script from the Randy.plans to note there was lots of traffic. I then used this paper shire girl with a book and some coffee to note it was a busy day at work. I then used this YouTube play button sticker from Planner Hannah to note a Plan With Me binge. And then use this grocery bag from Sweetquire Designs and a grocery run script from Adorably Amy Designs to note a grocery run. I then used this Simply a Messy Girl with a planner and a fun planning script from Bella Plan Ella to note fun planning. I then used this like fast food girl from Fox and Cactus to note that I had BIMs. Well, we had BIMs, me and my husband. Moving on to Saturday. My laptop is about to die, but I don't want to stop. So hopefully I can get through this. Moving on to Saturday, the first thing I marked was sleeping in with my husband using this PaperChicPlans couple sticker in bed. I then noted Happy Meal using this Happy Meal sticker from Bella Plan Ella. The sticker is also my freebie. And then used this scissors and comb sticker from the foyer bundle to note I had a hair appointment. I then used a TV icon to note binge watching Castle. I do have Castle scripts now from Bella Plan, so as of now the all of them have the Castle scripts, and all the planning binge scripts are back because I ran out. I then used this Joy Your Planning sticker with girl with like stickers to note film in a hall. The film hall script is a custom from Randy.Plans. I then used this couple sticker, which is a custom from Fox and Pip of me and my husband, him playing a game and me planning to note fun planning, which is where I do planning in my pop culture planner like by myself, and usually I do it when he's playing games. I then use this couple sticker from Whimsical Cat Studio to note watching Temptation Island. On to Sunday, I used a couple sticker from Whimsical Cat Studio again of them in bed to note sleeping in. I then used a YouTube play button sticker from Planner Hannah to note a plan with me binge. And then I used this Nap Queen sticker from the Honeybee shop to note taking a nap. So the night before we were up all night, which is why I marked it. And then I had a plan with binge, and then I napped in the morning. I don't know why we were up all night. I think we were watching something. I don't remember. Then I used this couple sticker from Cookie Sticker Co. and a Lazy Day script from The Wiggle to note we had a lazy day. And then use another couple sticker, this one from PaperChicPlans to note we were watching Temptation Island. And then I used a Mixie Cat stuffed sticker to note Pizza Night script is from Bella Ella. So I'm showing you guys a wiggle. I used pink sparkly hollow foil from SBC. This is what's left of the kit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it and comment down below what you thought of this video. And I shall see you in the next one. Bye!